5,000. 5,000 lawyers were surveyed, and they said their biggest business challenge was generating new leads. So to generate more leads, they invest in getting more traffic, more social media, more ads, more content. But that's the wrong approach, because what they find is it doesn't matter how much extra effort they put in, inquiries barely move. That's because they're fixing the wrong problem. Now, I worked with one firm who's spending around $5,000 a month on Google Ads. We didn't change the ads. We didn't change the targeting. We didn't increase the budget. We simply changed the page that traffic went to. And that one change actually doubled their inquiries within the first 30 days. And by continuing to optimize that page, by running A/B tests, we actually tripled conversions by month 3. Now, I've been doing design and marketing for 30 long years. Written the most comprehensive book on family law marketing. Here it is. In the last 25 years. Now, in this video, you get the benefit from all that experience and learn how to dramatically increase inquiries that you get from your existing traffic. The first thing to learn is sending twice as many visitors into a broken web page. Well, it's rarely going to fix the problem. That's just like pouring more water into a leaky bucket. So you don't need thousands of visitors. You just need to convert more of the traffic you probably already get. Now, this is the important bit. The beauty of web pages and online content is that prospects can check you out for free. They don't need to get into a sales conversation to do that. That's great for them. It's not so good for you, because the most important part of that prospect or buyer's journey is actually happening out of sight, at least for most law firms. Because most law firms, they don't track what's really happening on their website. Most have no idea how many visitors they had last week, what pages were viewed, or how many inquiries actually came in. Now imagine if you had 100 people came into your office and 98 of them turned and walked out within just a few seconds without even saying hello. You'd know something was really up and you'd try really hard to try and fix it. But for most, that's exactly what's happening on your webpage. You just can't see it because the average law firm homepage converts less than 2% of those visitors into actual inquiries. That's 98% of people walking out of your office before they even say hello, going off to a rival instead. You don't even know why. But there is an upside, because if you could change that number even just a little bit, you can make the world of difference to your revenue over the year. So let me show you the maths. They're currently getting 10 inquiries per month, and let's assume they're currently converting at 2%, with an average case value of $5,000. Now, if we move this number just a little bit, it makes a significant difference to their business over the year. Now, I'm going to assume that you've already got a beautifully made website that's been well designed by a skilled designer. So understand why this isn't capturing the needs that you'd like. We first need to understand how people are actually searching and behaving online these days. Now they jump into Google, they do their search. In less than a second, they've got hundreds, sometimes thousands of results. They can't possibly look at each one, so what they do is open 5, 6, 7 on different tabs. It's like Tinder dating, but for law firms. 70 to 80% of your visitors leave after viewing just one single page, and most leave within 30 seconds of landing on your site. If they don't see something on that first page that connects or resonates with them, well, they swipe left and they move on, and they rarely come back. This is the brutal reality of online marketing. The problem is most websites were never designed to actually generate inquiries. What you've got is a great tour guide. What you need is a great salesman. You have to design that first interaction completely differently. So in this next video, I compare homepage conversion rates against dedicated landing pages and show you exactly what will stop you bleeding leads. So watch that next if you really want more inquiries.